Today I will tell you about a story of a cunning barber. Nowadays we have saloons in every corner of the lane. But in olden days, it was not like this. Earlier, barbers used to roam in every corner of the area and run their house by cutting people's hair. Even if he was not an expert, he was surely a very cunning barber. And on that, his presence of mind was also great. One day, what happened, you know?
Hair cutting, 1 rupee. Hair cutting and shaving, 2 rupee. What is happening today? I'm not getting a single customer. What should I do now? I'm calling from so long. I'm not getting a single customer. Have people stopped growing their hair and beard? What is wrong with people? Hair cutting, 1 rupee. Hair cutting, shaving, 2 rupee. Massage also in 50 paisa. Whose face did I see early in the morning? God knows. Seems like today my day is completely bad. Looks like there is no customer in my destiny. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll go and check in Brahmin's society. Maybe I'll find some customer there. Maybe I'll find some luck there. Hair cutting, shaving, 2 rupee. Massage also free with hair cutting and shaving.
Hey barber, oh barber, listen brother, come here. I'm waving you, can you hear me? Oh barber, here, I'm waving you, can you hear me? Come this side, come.
Okay, Pandit ji. Tell me, Pandit ji, what do you want to do? Say.
Come here, you don't have to do much. Come here, I just want to keep the braid and remove all the hair around. You got it? You have to do this much only, nothing more than that. What I'm trying to say, you have to make me bald. You got it?
You don't have to worry about anything, Pandit ji. I'll take care of everything. Just trust me, I have magic in my hand. I have very much experience in this field. You will not find any other barber like me in this entire village. Understand?
Okay. I heard a lot about you. Now come and do my haircut. My ears pugged up hearing all this. Now stop all this nonsense and come and do my haircut.
Okay, Pandit ji, okay.
Listen, son, be careful. Whatever happens, do not try to cut my braid. Understand? I have done a lot of hard work to grow my braid. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for me.
Don't worry, Pandit ji. I'm doing this work since my childhood. You just sit back and relax. I'll do everything what you want. Okay?
Okay, enough of your praising. Now shut your mouth and start your work. Nothing should happen to my braid. Be careful about it, okay?
This fly is irritating me so much, Pandit ji. What should I do? How do I make this fly go away? Hey, go away. Go.
Hey Kalu, what are you doing? This way you will create trouble for me. Be careful about my braid. Don't touch it.
Yes, Pandit ji, don't worry, but this fly is really irritating me.
But my braid should not get cut, son. Do not pay attention to the fly. Do your work soon. Do your work quickly.
Hey, fly, go away. Go. Shh. Go. Oh God, what did I do? Pandit ji is going to kill me. I cut his braid. Oh my God, what should I do now?
What the hell you did, Kalu? You idiot, you cut my braid. Stupid barber. Now what should I do about this blade? Tell me. Wait, I will teach you a lesson that you will never forget in your life. What the hell you think of yourself, you stupid barber? I will kill you. I will beat you and make you a washerman. You just wait. From so long, you were saying I'm very experienced, I'm very this, I'm very that. This is what you did.
Oh God, this is not my my fault. You moved your head while cutting. Oh God, I should run away. He will kill me. Come on, I should run away. Pandit ji is getting mad.
Wait, you idiot! Where are you running? If I catch you, I'll kill you and I'll beat you into pieces. Hey, stop! You got saved by climbing the tree. If I had caught you, I would have killed you. Understood? If I catch you, I will bury you alive. Today I will cut you into pieces and feed you to the dogs. How long are you going to stay on that tree? Once you come down, I will catch you and I'll beat you and I'll kill you.
After that, what happened?
After that, the barber became very sad but still hid his tears and shifted to a new village to start his business again.
Hair cutting 1 rupee. Hair cutting shaving 2 rupee. Massage also free with hair cutting and shaving. Oh God, oh God. Who sleeps in such a deep sleep early in the morning?
Who said this? Hey, who are you? Why are you so quiet?
Sir, I'm Kalu Barber.
Oh, you're a barber. Nice, very good. Come this side. My beard has grown. Come and clean it. And it's irritating me very much. So come and shave it properly.
Huh?
Come here and sit.
Okay, sir. I'll just come and clean it.
And listen, you have to reduce my mustache as well.
Eh?
Be careful. Don't you dare shave it.
Sir, don't worry. I'm a very experienced barber. Everybody knows me in the village and everybody knows about my work. I'm a very top class barber, sir. I will not cut your mustache. You just relax and go in deep
Whatever
sleep.
you do, just be careful. One barber last time cleaned my mustache. Then I chopped his neck. Okay? Just be careful.
Yes, sir. Don't worry. Oh God, I'm trapped. Now what should I do? If I do some mistake, he's going to chop off my neck. What should I do? Oh God, what did I do? How come this happened? I shaved his half mustache. Now he's going to get mad and he's going to chop off my neck.
What the hell you did? You shaved off my mustache. You stupid barber. You will have to pay for this. I'm going to chop off your neck. You cleaned my mustache. Now I'll show you what I can do.
Oh God, his mustache will come back again. But if he's going to chop off my neck, how will I survive? I will look very bad without a head. Oh God, please save me.
Run, barber, run. Run for your life. I will chop off your neck today. You cleaned my mustache. Now I'm going to chop off your hand. Once I'll grab you, I'll beat you and kill you.